Hey there, fellow dream explorers. Welcome to the channel, where we're just getting started on this wild ride of lucid dreaming. As you can see, I'm a bit of a newbie around here. In fact, this is just our third long video and, well, the subscriber count is looking a bit lonely. So hey, if you enjoy all things lucid dreaming, I'd be over the moon if you hit that subscribe button. Together, we're going to explore the coolest mind-bending techniques and delve into the fantastical world of lucid dreams. Let's make this dreamy journey a shared adventure. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into today's tutorial. We're going to tackle the mysterious and intriguing realm of wake-induced lucid dreaming, also known as wild. Buckle up, my friends, because wild dreams aren't the easiest to induce. But fear not, I've got 5 steps and a sprinkle of practice to guide you on the path to experiencing the mind-blowing awesomeness that comes with wild lucid dreaming. Step 1. Sleep, glorious sleep. Just catch some Z's for a few hours. Around 4 or 5 should do the trick. But don't forget to set an alarm, or you might accidentally snooze your way through the day. Trust me, we don't want that. Step 2. Relax. Once you've awakened from your slumber, you'll find yourself in the perfect state to embark on a wake-induced lucid dream. So, get cozy, lie down, close those peepers, and let your body and mind melt into a state of pure relaxation. If a random thought pops into your head, don't fret. Just acknowledge it, but don't start a conversation with it. Let those thoughts drift away like clouds passing in the sky as you continue to embrace relaxation. Step 3. Hypnotic Object States. Eventually, you'll enter what we call the hypnotic logic states. It's kind of like that in-between stage when you wake up in the middle of the night, still half asleep, and your mind is playfully drifting back into dreamland. You might even start to see peculiar shapes or images appearing before your eyes. Embrace them, my friend, while keeping in mind that you're on the verge of entering a dream. Step 4. Transition time. Brace yourself because you're about to experience sleep paralysis. Now, I know that might sound spooky, but believe me, it's perfectly natural and happens every single time you fall asleep. The beauty of wild dreams is that you get to remain awake and witness this fascinating state, unlike in normal circumstances. Some folks may encounter vivid visuals, while others might experience strong physical sensations, or perhaps even hear melodies or voices. Whatever your senses perceive, it's crucial to stay calm, relax, and observe. You're on the verge of diving headfirst into a dream. Step 5. Dreamland awaits. As you remain composed during the sleep paralysis stage, you'll soon find yourself entering your dream. It can be a unique experience for everyone, but personally, I feel a magnetic force pulling my body into the dream realm. At this point, those shapes and flickering lights you've been seeing will transform into a fully immersive dream scene, ready for you to explore. Stay cool, calm, and collected, and engage with your dream surroundings. Investigate, interact, talk to dream characters or creatures, touch, smell, and immerse yourself fully in this wonderland of your own creation. By actively engaging with the dream, you solidify its existence. And from that moment forward, you're living in a full-blown, wide-awake, wild, lucid dream. Brace yourself for the mind-boggling experiences that await you. Lucid dreams are truly incredible, my friends. And while wild dreaming falls into the advanced category, requiring time and practice, trust me when I say it's well worth the effort. However, if you're just starting your lucid dreaming journey and prefer to dip your toes into simpler techniques before diving headfirst into wild, fear not. I've got your back. By subscribing to the channel, you'll unlock a treasure trove of beginner-friendly techniques and a ton of lucid dreaming-related content in the pipeline. So, if you want to embark on this lucid dreaming adventure with a friendly guide and a user-friendly approach, hit that subscribe button and show some love and support. You'll be joining a community of dreamers who are just as passionate as you are. Thank you for tuning into today's video, and I can't wait to catch you all next time. Happy dreaming!